Okay, let's talk about all these stuff that really we didn't talk about. Battery is you can see all the thing you wanted to in the battery section. It's a battery setting. Storage is where you can manage all your computer storage down in here. And tablet mode is you can manage the tablet mode. Multitasking is where you can manage the multitasking work and project into this PC, and shared experience and clipboard and remote desktop and about. These are the options that we should talk now. Into storage, we have in the battery, you can see the overview of your battery percent. For example, this is the estimate time remaining is 1 hour and 6 minutes. And you can see which applications are affecting your battery. And you can see right now in here as much as possible thing that you can see that really is affecting your PC battery. For example, my 40% charge is really over Chrome, Google Chrome. And then we're going to go down and down, so it's increasing and it's decreasing. And you can click buy, and you can see in use 20%, background 30%. You can have the time periods. You can show you can have it as, you can really see as apps with usage or all apps, or maybe always allowed apps. You can just filter the type. We can see the battery notifications. Okay, we found one or more settings that might affect your battery. Okay, and then in here we have the power and sleep buttons that we talked of, and that is really the sleep. Okay, it's affecting my battery power. Turn battery saver on automatically if my battery fails below 50%. Okay, if it's below 50%, so automatically turn on my battery power. Battery saver status until next charge. Battery saver status until next charge. It means if it's not charged, so be battery save. Okay, be on the battery save mode. Lower screen brightness while in the battery saver. Yes, do it. You can see battery tips, and you can say change battery settings for playing video. You can click in here and you can change all the thing you have in here about the battery, automatically process video to enhance it. And I prefer lower resolution or optimize for battery life or video quality. You can change these settings that we talked of really. And that's all about the battery. Let's talk about the storage. Storage it's where you can see all your computer storage. You can turn on battery sense, which means it's automatically free up your space by getting rid of bad files, temporary files. So I turned it on, and I can also manage it, configure it. Okay, during low battery free space run, or maybe every week or every. So I'm gonna say every week, because every week do storage sense and really, really take away all the bad stuff of my computer. Temporary files after 30%, 30 days, and delete files in my download folders. Never, don't do that. And it's the cloud content. No, don't do that again. So I don't have any cloud for my computer yet set up. I'm just using Google Chrome for everything. And you can also free up your space from this button. In here you have a lot of options to talk. Is really you're showing your drive C. For me, this much is used and this much is free, and it shows over the already category in here too. So you can click and you can have the options of this. All right, and it's really loading up right now. It loads up. You can see now all the applications I installed is already in here. Installing apps only from store or not every. So I said everywhere, so I can install by setup or something else by code, not just Windows 10 store. I didn't like that, so I like to be everywhere. You have the optional features in here, and you have the app execution aliases, okay, aliases, and so much more. So that's about storage. It's taking your storage a lot. You can see more category. You can see other drive storage. Wow, it's really full. And then you have the check where new content is used. New content is used. It means saved. Okay, you can change the settings in here. And you can change any settings in here again. about new document will save where and new music will be saved where and everything you can manage just from here. And you have a lot of options in here to talk with, like optimize your drives, manage storage spaces. Optimize your drives will understand you and really help you to optimize any devices possibly. You can really optimize your drive C, you can optimize drive D or something else in here. This is really for optimizing and analyzing it. So whenever your computer really slows down, so you can really optimize it anytime you want it to. And it's good for your computer health too. For me, it's zero fragmented, so it's fine, but I can always optimize and analyze it and over a weekly. And you can change the settings, and these options will make your computer better speed and better performance. And that's all about the storage. In the tablet mode, you have the settings for your tablet mode. When I sign into the computer, okay, it automatically shows the hardware should decide is it tablet mode or not. For me, it's desktop mode, laptop mode. So it's not gonna be onto tablet mode using this button. And when this device automatically switches tablet mode or on off, so you can say always ask me before switching or don't ask me. Hide app icons on the taskbar in the tablet mode, you can say off or on. And automatically hide the taskbar in the tablet mode, you can say, well, show it or not show it. And in the multitask in tablet mode is where you can say, well, this is my computer, and when I sign into my computer, use an appropriate mode for my hardware. Now, for me, it's really laptop mode always because my computer hardware doesn't have it. So I'm gonna say an appropriate mode. It means it should decide itself, and automatically this device switch from where to where, on and off. So you can see always ask me or don't ask me, or somehow don't ask me and always switch. Don't switch, but don't ask me. You can have that decision. And these options are for the tablet modes. And we are done with the tablet mode. Multitasking is really good idea. For example, whenever you open two folder or something else, so you drag it in here, and it says, okay, and it says you have these two windows too. So you click, that's multitasking, and you have these options in here to do. Snap windows, yes, do it as I snapped already. When I snap window, automatically size it to fill available space. Yeah. And these options will help you to really to do the multitasking job better and better. Always you can turn off the timeline in the task view from this button. You have the virtual desktop too in here. For me it's now nothing. Virtual desktop is really the desktop that you can really create from the task view. It's nothing more advanced, or nothing new. You can have this one, and these two belongs to that option. Only desktop I'm using, or all desktop, and when I really go all tap, so only desktop I'm using, all desktop, and the apps will move up if you change these options. Okay, show windows that are open on, only the desktop I'm using. Pressing alt tab, show windows that are open on, only desktop I'm using. So these options will change especially how many application you opened it, and will manage better and better. So see yourself and check it out and really experience that. Projecting to this PC, it's for the projection. So project your phone or PC to this screen and use it as its keyboard, mouse, or rather two. And it's for me, it's off because I don't have any network for this, but you can go ahead and turn it on if you wanted to. And clip and shared experience is for shared experience. It's always for the FTP or something else nearby devices. So I don't have it right now, and I need to fix it because I don't have internet full time. So that's why I didn't use it. A clipboard is for the clipboard history saving. Now to see your clipboard history, you should turn on this, and it says Windows logo key plus V, and you will see all your clipboard right now. You can see my clipboard is empty right now. Wow. And you can sign it, or you can remove it. For me, I don't have it right now. Remote desktop is, you can see, your remote desktop. It's for network. And you can also do it with Windows or Android or iOS or Mac OS. That's fine. And about is where you can see all thing about your computer information and much more. Okay, that's all about these options. And see you on the devices.